Main reason we decided to go ahead with this renovation because the rear of the house was a little cramped and it didn't allow any light to come through. So we wanted to open up as much as we could and let more light come in and make the rear part look a bit more spacious than what it originally was. So yeah, before going ahead with Esteem, we got quotations from a few builders, but Esteem was recommended to us through one of our close friends who did their renovations with Esteem previously, and we had a look at the work Esteem had done before, and we were quite happy with what they've delivered, so we decided to go ahead with Esteem. There were some surprises which we originally didn't plan for. We didn't have any plans for the floor, but while we were stripping everything down, we noticed that the original floor was rotten and we kind of had to go ahead and redo the floors as well, but we were very happy with the final outcome of it. It's good that we could relay the floor and complete all the renovation for the rear. Communication between us and Esteem was always strong. All the updates was obviously kind of fed through photographs through the Builder Trend app. So we could kind of monitor the progress of the work. In addition to that, both Sadi and Sidhu they were always available phone call away whenever I needed them. So there was absolutely no issue in terms of communication. So the best part of the house post the renovation is the kitchen. As you see, it's opened up so much, and I would say the kitchen's turned out really well after the renovation. Esteem definitely delivered what they promised within their time frame, and in addition to that, they also kind of kept within the cost that they originally proposed. So I would strongly recommend Esteem if anyone's kind of looking around for a builder to renovate their existing homes.